and since I've been doing these videos on where I test out all of Elmer's glues, I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway, I realized I have so many Elmer's glue and I really want to just kind of mix them all together. I mean, it's probably not practical, obviously, but you know, basically it's just a little experimental fun video, so yeah. And also, I don't think I have all the Elmer's glues here, but if you guys want me to do another one of these videos, maybe with a different brand like Crazy Art, or maybe you want me to just not do just glues, maybe like find some other weird Elmer stuff, I don't know. But anyways, comment down below, make sure you say whatever the heck you want, and today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your index finger. Like that. Who does that? Well, anyways, so that is it. Let's just get straight on into the video. Yo. Let's start. Okay, so basically we're just gonna start putting everything in. So first I got my glue here, and I actually don't have a small bottle of it, so I'm just gonna be using my gallon of it. Ding! Okay, so putting the glue all in. Oh, I was gonna fill it up more, but I just remember we're gonna put a bunch of glue in here, so enough. Okay, now we're gonna put the normal glue. So yeah, let's pour some in there. That should be Gucci. Some goes on purple, dries clear. What? Honestly, it's not like that cool to me, cause like white glue dries clear in the first place, so I don't know. So here's how it looks, guys. It actually is a really cool color. That's like the only thing I like about it. If Elmer's made like a line of like a bunch of colorful glues, that would be so cool. I would definitely buy those. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of that. And this one actually doesn't work with just borax, but since we're gonna be mixing it with a bunch of other glues, it doesn't really matter, so yeah. Some clear glue. This stuff is beautiful, guys. So thick, so clear. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of that. Enough. Next one is Elmer's School Glue Gel. This came out right when the slime trend was like, bam, in everybody's face. And I actually wanted to get it, but I was like, what can I do with it? Like, it's just gonna be like a 1-minute video of me just like, you know, making some gel glue. Anyways, it's not that different. Okay, so here it is. It's blue and stuff, which kind of sucks to be honest, but whatever. I really don't really see the difference between it. I guess it is a little bit more jelly, but I don't know. Next one is a glitter glue. Classic glitter glue. So here's how it looks, guys. Okay. This stuff is actually really thick. I feel like the glitter glue is actually thicker than the clear glue because it looks like that. Next one is Elmer's Glue Extreme, and this one, guys, I love this one. I did a little testing because I saw a video on somebody doing a video and they said how to make cereal milk, and they basically used this, and I was like, whoa, I'm gonna try that. So I tried it and it is so nice, guys. You guys should definitely try it if you have it. So here's how it looks. Make sure to get it. It's very nice. I love it. It's like thicker than, you know how glue all is more watery than this one? This one's kind of a little bit thicker, but this one's thicker at the same time. It's basically like these two combined, and it's just like perfect. Anyways, put a little bit of that, just a little bit, because this is precious. Next one is this Craft Bond glue. Ta-da! We're not gonna put a lot of that. I don't know if that's fine or not. Now we're gonna put some Elmer's wood glue. This one does work, I think, but with shaving cream. Ooh, that looks creamy. It looks like milky, like really milky caramel, which sounds really nice. Next one is this board. Okay, you want to get in. Next one is this Elmer's Glue Board Make Glue Pen thingamajigger. That's good. Next one is this glitter glue pen, and for some reason Elmer's loves these and they like to include that with their slime recipes, which I don't really understand, but whatever. So we have some purple glittery one, looks very pretty, and I think that is it. Let's just go ahead and mix it and let's activate it. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. I got this Elmer's stick glue because I know it doesn't work, but I still wanted to mash it in there just because I feel like it might give it some texture. Okay, so this one is the Disappearing Purple. This is the sister of this one. Okay, so let's just go ahead and grab that, just drop it in there, and we're gonna have to try and mash it in there somehow, but we'll leave that for after. Okay, so let's start mixing it. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Whoa. Okay, I'm trying to mash that little glue stick. Whoa, guys, this is so thick. Ah! And I'm back with a new fork. That was just a technical error fork roll. Go ahead and keep mashing this. Guys, this is so thick. I didn't think it was gonna be that thick. Like, like, I don't know if glue all is this thick, but like, this is really thick. I'm just trying to match this glue stick I put in there. I feel like that's actually gonna be pretty cool. Okay, and we're gonna make this a pastel pink. So we're gonna put 1 drop of pink. And I think I'm almost done with the glue stick. I'm almost done mashing it. And it still has a little bit of like blocks, but I think I could just like kind of knead that once I need it, you know? Okay, this looks good, guys. It looks like strawberry cream frosting or something. I like it, it looks pretty. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate this. Okay, so let's put a little bit of activator. I hope this is gonna be like okay to activate, and I hope it activates because it doesn't really seem like it's activating, honestly. No! Is it not gonna activate? Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Okay, I'm putting a lot of activator. No, what is wrong with it? Why is it doing this to me? No, what the, is this water? Guys, this one's water! Oh my god, I just ruined my whole thing. I don't even think I have any more glue stick left. Oh, I do. I have a lot more. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna finish this batch and then I'm gonna do another one. And it's not gonna have water in it, so yeah. Let me just finish this up. But this is still gonna be an experiment, so let's just see what happens. Okay, so here's what happened, guys. It kind of just like overactivated now. Okay, well, let me just go ahead and wash this bowl really quick and then we can restart again. So yeah, okay. Okay, so take 2. I got my works this time. I have no water, so let's do this. We got some glue off, regular glue, craft bond glue, some purple glue, just to add a little bit of mystery, some glitter glue, extreme glue, wood glue, school glue gel, clear glue, board glue, glitter glue pen, ta-da, and of course some stick glue. Alright, so let's try this again and hopefully it will go good. Okay, so let's go ahead and start mixing it. So thick. Guys, it's so thick. It's crazy. I feel like this is gonna be super hard to activate, guys. Okay, let's start activating this, and I am so excited because I want to see how thick it's gonna be because it's really thick so far. Okay, I think that's enough activator. This activates really quickly, guys. Okay, let's just start kneading it. It's okay. We're gonna get down and dirty right now, and hopefully this is all the activator we need. Oh no, I forgot to dye it, guys. Okay, I am gonna put the dye after. Okay, so here's the slime that came out. Sorry about my wretched hands, guys. So I'm gonna clean it right now. Okay, so this is terrible, guys. Terrible. And I think we need a little bit of something to spice this up. Hair gel. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here's a little bit of hair gel on here. By the way, guys, you have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Hair gel kind of like softens slime like lotion, so life hack right there. Guys, surprisingly, it's really hard to get off of my hands. Like, it will not get off. So here is the final product, guys. It isn't exactly just Elmer's glue. It has a little bit of hair gel in it, but I feel like it's because of the stick glue. So this is actually really cool. It's like creamy and like thick at the same time. It's so creamy, it's crazy. Okay, let's go ahead and dye it. Okay, we are finally done. Guys, this looks so cool. It looks like cream. It looks like ice cream. Okay, guys, this has such an interesting texture. Like, I can't, like, did we just make a new slime, guys? That would be a horrible slime to make. Like, you have to get all these ingredients. Okay, so it is all done. Let's just go ahead and do some ASMR so I can show you guys the texture. So this is like extremely creamy. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe it's because of the hair gel, but like, it's crazy. And it's so thick. It's like so creamy, guys, and so thick. Anyways, I like this slime a lot. What do you guys think? Make sure you comment down below what you think about this slime, and also like if you have some cool recipes that you want me to try out, like some subscriber suggested recipes. So I am just really shook with this, guys, because like I don't know how I can explain it to you, but like it is just so creamy and so thick at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's crazy. I think you guys can see like the thickness, but can you see like the creaminess? It's crazy. think about this slime. I really like it. Like, it's super milkshakey or like smooth. I don't know. It's just, I am gonna continue playing with this for a very long time. Anyways, comment down below if you want to do any more of these videos. And that is it. I love you so much. And I really hope to see you next time. Bye.